Right, so I'm going to show you a tool that essentially goes over your website, your competition, your niche, your language, your country, and gives you keywords that you should be producing content for. So if I go here, click edit real quick and skim down here, I'll show you this, how it works in a couple of seconds here. I just put in my website, my country, my language, and based on these, plus based on my competition, it gave me a list of keywords like with low search difficulty, right? This column right here, and somewhat decent monthly searches, right? This is the site right here. epicgarden.com is a site that essentially a Shopify store that talks about gardening. If you click here, they sell gardening supplies, right? All this, gardening stuff, seeds, beans, tools, all the things related to gardening, right? So let's say I want to produce content to this blog, to this site, to write these blog posts, right? Like the one you see here, right? Which have images, tables of contents, have links to the images, internal links, external links, all this. I want to be able to produce content to my blog. Also, videos on here. I want to be able to produce content like this, which, by the way, this tool does. I'll show you that in just a second here. I have no idea what keywords I should be targeting. So what I do, I just go here to tryjournalist.com, keyword monitors, new monitor, add my site, add my competition, and then it will spit out a bunch of keywords that have, again, low search difficulty, but high search volumes. For example, here, gardening 101 PDF. And this is actually a pretty good keyword because it has 40 people search for this a month. It has low keyword difficulty, and people searching for this, they're gardening 101, so they're new, beginners, right? So they want to learn how to do gardening. And PDF, it shows that they're willing to read, really willing to learn. So that's pretty cool. You can capture a lot of emails with this. For example, let's say you write an article based on this keyword, and then you have a lead magnet, so people have to put their email so they can read through the PDF, and then you can target them and, of course, recommend to them your products. There's more here. Best plants for raised garden beds, winter flowers, California, gardening supplies for greenhouse, soil flora for beds. There's a lot of stuff here, right? So this is a pretty cool tool that just doesn't give you just some random keywords. It gives you keywords that have decent search volumes, so meaning search volumes that you should be going after because enough people are searching for them, but also that are easy to rank for because the keyword difficulty is low. You can select all these ones, right, and produce content around it. Let me show you how the content looks like, by the way. If we just go here to my history, let me show you how the content looks like. This is, again, content for the same niche, right? This is the gardening niche. All this was done through AI, like the images, the table of contents, which, by the way, is interactive. There's key takeaways here. There's proper structuring. There's in-article videos, internal links, external links, in-article images. What else? We have down here our FAQ section. There's call to action here. For example, our website offers a wide range of gardening tools, and this links out to the Shopify store, which has, of course, the gardening tools, right? You can even link out to product pages. So again, all this is done through AI. Internal links here, this links out to, I think, another blog post. Yeah, another blog post on their site. So what you see here, all the blog posts you see here with the images, table of contents, this can all be automated, right? Because all these blog posts interlink between each other, right? I can just go here and click post to WordPress or post to my integration. This could be my Shopify store. I can skim through all these, post, or I can just go here and post them all at the same time, and all three will be posted. Or if I want to go a step further, just go here to autoblogs, set up a new autoblog, which I do right now. Select how many articles I want to produce. Let's do 300, and I can choose every month, weekday, or every 12 to 6 hours. If I do this every single week, right, Journalist AI will connect to your Shopify store or WordPress site or whatever and produce 300 articles every single week, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 300 every single week. And if we expand on these ones, all these will have a featured image, a table of contents, right? A proper structuring, in-article images, in-article videos, internal links. So these articles will be interlinked between each other. Maybe we'll link out to your homepage, your contact page, external links, so linking out to authoritative sources in your niche, for example, Wikipedia, tables, bullets, also down here a call to action to your product. So all this automated. And to do this, you first go here to integrations, new integration, and just connect with WordPress, Shopify, Ghost, Wix, Webflow, Blogger, Zapier, or even an external API. You can connect with any of these ones. Then go to autoblogs, new autoblog, right? Select the preset you want, select the quantity, select the integration, and then just click status, create new autoblog. And again, every single day, 60 articles will be posted. How do you generate content with this? Just go here to generate articles. You can select using the simple mode, titles mode, or keywords mode. You can play around with this. I'll leave a link for this in the description, by the way, but you can play around with these three modes. Now, the best mode is the advanced mode, right? Which you choose here, the one you want. In this case, my gardening preset, and just generate content. Now, if I go here to presets, my gardening preset is here. Now, I won't go over all these 7 steps, but this is where essentially you can have a bit more control over the content output. Now, with these ones right here, you give it essentially a URL, a description, select the articles you want, the language, because you can choose from over 150 different languages. This one, just give it titles. This one, just give it keywords. The advanced mode, you give it so much more, right? You give it all these 7 steps, right? You give it the generation mode, of course. You can even connect your brand to make sure the content is not generic. It is brand tailored. You can, of course, select the levels of creativity, the language, the tone of voice, the point of view. You can even give it custom instructions. You can put here your call to action. So at the bottom of each article, it will link out to this shop. You can automate your headings. You can enable key takeaway section, FAQ section. You can set up your internal linking here by posting here sitemap. You can set up external linking just by clicking here, right? We'll scrape the internet for relevant articles in your niche language. You can select images here, right? You want to use stock photos in your articles. You want to use Google Assets free photos, custom images, or using AI images. Enable or disable featured images, enable or disable article images. And here are the videos. You can just click here or not. If you click it, we'll read through the article and then go on YouTube, and figure out what's the best video to include in your article, right? So click save, generate articles advanced mode, select your preset right here, select this, and then generate. That's it. That's pretty powerful, right? And I went a bit off tangent here because I just wanted to show you here the keyword research tool. But I think it's important that you can, if you want, combine these two tools, the keyword monitors, which essentially connect your site right here, and essentially gives you keywords. If I go here to this, for example, for free, it gives you all these keywords. Actually, it costs 1 credit. 1 credit is like 80 cents. So if you want to try it out, it's like 80 cents. Again, it doesn't just give you some random keywords. It gives you keywords that make sense in accordance with your niche and, of course, your competition, your language, the country you're targeting, and also, again, there are low SEO difficulties, or easier to rank for, and have some decent search volume. So it's pretty cool. This keyword research tool is pretty cool. Try it out. Again, I'll leave a link for this in the description. Just go to tryjournalist.com, click your dashboard, and scroll down, click keyword monitors, and go here and add your site. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. That's a automated keyword research tool. Try it out, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.